Right, let's talk Arsenal. 3-0 win over Dinamo Zagreb. That does put them on the verge of qualification for the last 16. How big a boost would that be to finish inside the top 8? And actually, how far can Arsenal go in this competition?
Well, I mean, it's brilliant what they've done. They're third in the league. You know, they've had a really, really good Champions League so far. Great performance last night, comfortable. They could go a long way. They're a dangerous team. The problem is we're going to see, when it gets to the last 16, we're going to see the road all the way to the final, who they got to play. And I think I don't really like that situation where we're going to know that it's a bit like, it's like Wimbledon. It's like Wimbledon, you know, at tennis. You get the draw and you see who you've got to play. I don't like that. I like the buzz of you win your two-legged game and then you never know. You might get through again and you might get a better draw, or the two big boys might meet each other in the quarterfinals. So, yeah, I think Arsenal are big players. It all depends about the league, because at the moment they're 6 behind Liverpool. Liverpool got a game in hand and they've got a better goal difference. So, really, in hindsight, it could be 10 points. People say, oh, there's 16 games to go. There isn't 16 games to go. You know, they've probably got about 7, 8, probably 9 games Liverpool got. And the others, you know, they've got to play Southampton, they've got to play Leicester, they've got to play Wolves. You know, they've got these teams that are really, if they turn up with the right attitude, they win them games. So if it gets to a stage where Liverpool are uncatchable, then I think Arsenal are massive players in the Championship. But if they're trying to juggle both at the same time and trying to chase Liverpool down because it might only be 6 points, then I think it's going to be hard for them to win the Champions League.